This aircraft is designed to do something no commercial aircraft has ever done before. "22 hours non-stop Sydney to London." Developed for Qantas, this aircraft will become soon the longest-range commercial airliner ever, capable of flying nearly 10,000 nautical miles non-stop. The A350 is already fully certified and well-proven in service, but this flight test campaign focuses on the modifications that enables its extreme range capability. So, what exactly are we testing? Most notably, for the fuel capacity, a rear center tank fully integrated in the fuselage. If you look around, you will see extensive wiring installed throughout the cabin to collect flight test data. All these cables connect to the flight test engineer station. The engineers monitor the aircraft parameters, and they are able to specifically monitor the fuel transfer. For these very long-haul missions lasting more than 20 hours, we have equipped the seats with special instrumentation to simulate passengers. This instrumentation allows us to measure cabin temperature impact and passenger comfort. Over the next 2 months, each flight will allow us to validate and certify these innovations.